Learn about problems on quadratic equations. Now, one example, we know what is quadratic equation. Now we have to form the quadratic equation and find out the roots, like that. Anything, whatever they have given according to the question, will proceed. The product of two numbers, product of two numbers is equal to 192, and sum of two numbers is equal to 28. Find numbers. This is the question. Now according to the question, first you understand the question thoroughly. If you don't understand the question, read it twice or thrice until you understand the question thoroughly, then only proceed. Without reading the question minimum 2-3 times, don't proceed. So product of two numbers is 192, sum of two numbers is 28. Like you can assume xy, two numbers, then sum of two numbers is equal to x plus y is equal to 28. Therefore y will be equal to 28 minus x. Now this is first equation. We will go to second equation. Now y is equal to 28 minus x. Now we will go to second equation, that is product, that is x and y. For your understanding, I am writing as y. You can directly come to y as 22 minus x. No need of again y. But just for clarification, as you go on, you can learn and directly substitute for y without assuming y. X into y is equal to 192. That is x into 28 minus x is equal to 192. Now we will change this into quadratic equation. X into 28 is 28x. X into x is minus x square is equal to 192. As much as possible, x square should not have the negative, so that you can proceed correctly. If you have negative also, no problem, but still we will see that this will be positive. So bring all these terms to the right side or change the negative sign. X square minus 28x plus 192 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. What is this? Quadratic equation. Now factorize, that is 192 constant, no x square coefficient. So we will make this as factors 2 6 are 2 3s are 1 also you can take. Now you want 28. So just try. Now 3 4s are 12 till here. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 and 12 is 28, isn't it? We got it very easily. So x square minus 16x and minus 12x. So this is split into two terms using the 192 factors. Plus 192 is equal to 0. Like minus 16 into minus 12 is plus 192. So like that, negative. Now what is common here? X minus 16. Minus 12 is common here. X minus 16. So x minus 16 is equal taken common, x minus 12. X minus 16 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 12. So these are the required numbers. You understood? Like that we will go through few examples. Here the question is 50 is divided into two parts. Sum of the reciprocals. So we will take it as sum x y. Sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 12. That is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 12. That they have given. Now we should find the numbers. So x plus y is equal to what here? 50. So y is equal to 50 minus x. So this is first equation. Now we'll substitute for y 50 minus x. This is second equation. 1 by x plus 1 by 50 minus x is equal to 1 by 12. As everything is in the denominator, we have to take LCM. X into 50 minus x is equal to 1 by 12. Now x will go 50 minus x times. So 50 minus x into 1 is 50 minus x plus 50 minus x will go x times. X into 1 is equal to x. Now here you got x cancel. So if you cross multiply, 50 into 12 is equal to x into 50 minus x. 50 into 12 is 600. X into 50 is 50x. X into x is minus x square. Now bring all the terms this side. X square minus 50x plus 600 is equal to 0. Now factorize 600. 600, 2, 300, 300, 2, 50, 5, 10, 5, 2. So we have to get 50 now. 5 3s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. No chance. Or 5 5s are 25, 3 8s are 24. No. 5 5s are 25. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 25 24 is 49. Now okay. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and 5 into 4 is 20. That is 5 into 2 into 3 is 30. 5 into 2 into 2 is 20. You get 50. Minus minus minus. Then if you multiply, plus 600. So you got it. Now x square minus 30x minus 20x plus 600 is equal to 0. Now what is common here? X minus 30. From here you can do it very easily, because factorization of quadratic equation you have already learned, and you can solve this one. X is equal to 30 or 20. So therefore the numbers are 30 and 20. We'll go to another example. Here example 6 it is. Okay. Now a 2-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 8. When 18 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. Find the number. Okay. Whenever they refer to 2-digit number, 2 digits, first we'll take 2 digits. Be careful. 2 digits A and B. But when you write it as number, you can't write as AB. You can't write. This is wrong. So you have to write as 10A plus B. So this is number. These are the digits. So 2 digits are A and B. Number is 10A plus B. What did they give? Product of 2 digits. That is AB is equal to 8. First equation. And when 18 is added, 10A plus B plus 18 is added. Then the digits are reversed. That is 10B plus A it will become. So this is what they have given, second one. Now from here we will take B value and substitute here. Or you can take B value from here and substitute there. Anything. Okay. This B is equal to 8 by A. So that we will get a quadratic equation. That is one variable. So 10A plus 8 by A plus 18 is equal to 10 into 8 by A plus A. Now bring all the terms this side, or anyhow you can simplify. Actually before this we can find out, we can simplify this and write. First we will simplify this. 10A minus A plus B minus 10B plus 18 is equal to 0. That is 9A minus 9B plus 18 is equal to 0. Now 9 we can see very easily as common. So remove that first, so that you can get a simple form. 9A minus b plus 2 is equal to 0. So this will be going into 0. A minus, now for b you substitute 8 by a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now LCM is a square minus 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. A when it is multiplied with 0 it will become 0. So a square plus 2a minus 8 is 0. Now this is in quadratic form. 8 factors is 4 and 2. Minus 8 means minus 4 plus 2. So or plus 4 minus 2, because we want plus 2. Plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. A square plus 4a minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. What is common here? A plus 4. What is common here? Minus 2. A plus 4. So a plus 4 is common. A minus 2. So a is equal to minus 4 or a is equal to 2. Then here b will become 8 by minus 4, which will be minus 2, and here b is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. Therefore the two digits will be 4 and 2.